Okay, so here's my plan to quieten down this compressor. I'm going to leave the tank and the controls down here, but the pump itself I'm going to move up to the rafters and I'm going to put it in a soundproof box. So let's get to work. The two things we're going to need to run up to the rafters are the electrical wires and the hose that connects the two here. As much as I can, I'm going to use repurposed junk that I've got taking up space around the shop. We'll see how that works out, see how much I can get rid of during this project. First junk to sacrifice itself for this project is old wood from an old piano. The mounting blocks are from the same piano, drilled out to fit this little compressor. I didn't bother to tape that part because compressors are shaped differently and mounted all sorts of ways. You'll just have to figure out what works for yours. The foam I'm using is from a hardshell bicycle shipping case. Now, is this the same as actual acoustic foam? I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. What I do know is that it's free and I can finally throw away my old beat up bike case. I should have thrown it out about 18 years ago after a flight to Jamaica. Best I can tell, they ran out of space in the cargo area and just decided to hang it from the landing gear with a bungee strap. With the foam, I think the higher frequency sounds will get muffled really well, and the low frequencies will resonate through the wood. What I like about this piano case is that it's thick and heavy, meaning it should vibrate less than something like plywood. I have enough to do 4 sides, so it should help. May have to scavenge around for some lumber. Okay, using a few staples to keep the bottom in place, and the rest of the foam will be glued. Alright, and bottom plate is done. I've cut a rubber bungee strap to make the mount under the compressor and on top. I'm trying not to have this affixed tightly to the wood so the vibration won't transfer as much. Just this little strip, and the top mount is all that's in contact with the compressor. Big rubber grommet would work better, but I don't have one and I refuse to buy anything else for this project.
Why are you taking a video?
Well, Daddy likes to pretend people watch them, honey.
And I can give you the things you need.
Now we need a fan to pull in air and keep the compressor cool. I'm hoping this crappy space heater has a 120 volt fan. If it does, I can use it without any additional electronics needed for voltage conversion or step down. I'm trying to keep this project simple if I can. Screws are out, so I should be able to get into this thing. There it goes. There's a thermal sensor up top. Don't see any voltage control other than switches. Yes, 120 volt fan. Takes a minute to get up to speed, but feels good though. Now that we've got a fan, I'm gonna mount it to blow on the compressor fins. You know, I wasn't really into taking the time for this project right now, but I'm getting rid of so much junk to build this, it'll be worth it, even if it bombs. Next I'll find some wood for the baffles.
That looks better.
So this board will separate the compressor from the intake and the exhaust baffles. And this will separate the air in from the air out. Air comes in here through the fan, circulates around the compressor chamber, into the exhaust baffle through this hole, and out into the atmosphere, or the shoposphere in this case. Well, it's time to call it a night. I'll finish this up tomorrow and post the video soon. Don't forget to like if you like, and click the subscribe button below to see how this turns out. Thanks for watching.
Oh, it's okay, Daddy. I did not mess it up.